Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to view archived items on monday.com. So if you want to view an archive board that you have just archived or archived some days ago and now you want to see it again, follow this video and I'm sure in the end you will know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com into your account. So once when you log in, you'll be directed to this home page. So to view an archive item, which can involve an archive board as well, you need to first archive it yourself. So for example, uh, I'm going to see my board here and I'll open this board up and now I'm going to archive it. So how to archive it? You can just click on these three dots and archive it either from here, or you can click on these three dots and archive it from here. You know, view archive, that's how to view it. But let's archive first because we won't have anything archived even if we view it. So I've archived this board. Yes, now it is successfully archived. You can see right here that this board has been archived. Now if we want to view this board, we want to see our archive section, we're going to go down here and view archive trash, and we're going to click on archive. So here you can see this is the board that I just archived 16 seconds ago, and this is how you view archived items on monday.com. You can also view your trash right here if you've deleted something, but the archive section is here. Now if you want to unarchive it, what you need to do, you need to click here and then click on restore, and thus it will be unarchived. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.